When designing websites, we need to make sure that the websites created are qualified for search engine rankings. To achieve that, we need to apply on-page SEO practices. Basically, on-page SEO practice focuses on optimizing our website's elements. The elements include HTML source code, user experience design, and content optimization. As we improve these elements on our website, we will no doubt achieve higher search engine rankings and gain more organic traffic, improved metrics, long-term page value, and a quicker website load time. Below are the top 4 on-page SEO recommendations that will help you determine which elements are essential to improving your search engine ranking. 1. Focus on quality content. To begin with, what is content? Content refers to any written, visual, audio, or video information that we publish on our website to enlighten, entertain, convince, or inspire our target audience. Now, you might want to ask yourself, do the contents you publish on your website of high quality? Does the content educate, entertain, inspire, or persuade your target to take certain actions? High-quality content from my perspective should be researched and insightful, and contain solutions your target audience can use. In truth, when your content meets your audience's needs, it does hold a kind of psychological effect on them that they will want to always visit your website to consume more content you publish. Furthermore, quality content sells itself online. When readers read quality content, they will share it with their friends and cite it on social media, giving the content a positive search engine perception. The following list will help you get started if you are having trouble creating quality content. 1. Keyword research. One of the most important aspects of on-page SEO is keyword research. Through keyword research, you can find out what search queries prospective audiences use to find their needs on search engines and provide solutions in the form of content to meet those needs. 2. Research the topic. By researching the topic, you will uncover more relevant facts and data to organize your content so you won't run out of ideas. 3. Edit the content and proofread it. Proofreading your articles before publishing them is always good writing practice. As a result, you will be able to identify spelling and formatting errors, punctuation mistakes, plagiarism, and other errors that may hinder the content's central message. 2. Validate core web vitals. Taking a close look at your website's core web vitals is another on-page SEO recommendation for improving your search rankings. What are core web vitals? Google Core Web Vitals measures how quickly a website or page loads. Also measures how quickly users can interact with the page or website, and the amount of stability the page has as it is loading using real-world usage data. Your URL performance is displayed in the Core Web Vital by status, which ranges from good to poor and needs improvement. The report is based on 3 metrics: largest contentful paint, first input delay, and cumulative layout shift as measured by actual user data. To avoid both poor user experience and lower search rankings, you should fix the problem whenever the Google system detects any of the 3 metrics on your page. 3. Link internally. Another important on-page SEO recommendation is the use of internal links, which not only improves our search engine rankings but also shows search engines how our web page is structured. An internal link is one we embed on our website that leads to another page within the same website. Using internal links enables our users to navigate between pages of our websites easily, resulting in a better user experience. On your websites, you can include several internal links, including footers, navigational links, sidebar links, and contextual links. Contextual links are actually the internal links that we use frequently on our web page. An example: by linking to other pages within our website, we provide our readers with more related content and more learning opportunities, and a longer page value for our website. I would recommend that you add enough relevant internal links to your website, since the more links a page receives, the more important it appears to search engines. By linking to other pages within our website, we provide our readers with more related content and more learning opportunities, and a longer page value for our website. I would recommend that you add enough relevant internal links to your website, since the more links a page receives, the more important it appears to search engines. 4. Content should have heading tags. The purpose of heading tags, also known as header tags or title tags, is to break your webpage or blog article down into headings and subheadings. This provides readers with an easy way to decide which section of your blog post they wish to consume, as it gives your webpage a well-organized structure. The heading tags can also be used to improve our search rankings since they assist the search engines in better understanding your content and how it applies to a person's search. There are 6 levels of section levels, with level H1 being the highest and level H6 being the lowest. Among the heading tags in a blog post, the H1 tag is by far the most important because it identifies the title of the post. Final thoughts on on-page SEO. In reality, on-page SEO is a simple technique that you can apply to your website to increase web page load speed, user experience, and other key elements that will boost your search engine rankings. There are other recommendations worth mentioning, apart from the 4 on-page SEO recommendations we mentioned in this guide, such as writing a stunning meta description, having a relevant and catchy title tag, organizing slug with the relevant key phrase, adding quality outbound links, using alt text on images. Start making the necessary improvements to your website with these 4 on-page SEO recommendations we discussed. We appreciate you taking the time to read this detailed guide word for word, and we hope you will share it across your social networks so that other interested users can benefit from it as well. If you like these video, please hit the like button and click on the notification bell and subscribe to our channel to always get our latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.